Good morning students, welcome to your English class. I am your English teacher Jharna Pujari, lecturer in IIPM School of Engineering and Technology. In the previous class we have discussed about communication, what communication is, what is the difference between verbal and non-verbal communication, and also we discussed about communication as a process where we know all the elements in the communication process. But today you know that what we would discuss, as it is shown in your whiteboard, the parts of speech. So, words are divided in different parts according to their use in a sentence, right. So, how many parts of speech are there? Let us see. Okay. So, it is a beautiful poem for you to remember all the parts of speech. And how many numbers of parts of speech are there? There are 8 numbers of parts of speech. So, what are they? We would know from this poem very clearly that what are the parts of speech. Okay. So, let us move on to the whiteboard. Every name is called a noun. What? Every name is called a noun, as field and fountain, street and town. Every name is called a noun, as field and fountain, street and town. In place of noun, the pronoun stands as he and she can clap their hands. The adjective describes a thing as magic wand or bridal ring. The verb means action, something done, to read and write, to jump and run. How things are done. What? How things are done. Who say? The adverb tells, as quickly, slowly, hardly well. The preposition shows relation, as in the street. Where? In the street or at the station. Conjunction joins in many ways. Sentences. What conjunction joins? Sentences, words or phrase and phrase. Okay. In the interjection cries out, hark, I need an exclamation mark. So, from this point, we know that how many parts of speech are there? 8 parts of speech. What are they? See, the parts of speech all are in capital letters. Noun, here is pronoun, adjective, then the verb, then the adverb and the preposition, conjunction and interjection. Okay. And what are their words? See, every name is called a noun. Name are always known as noun. In the next class, I would describe what is a noun, how many types of noun, what are their works, how you people use nouns in sentences, right. So, every name is called a noun. सारे नाम जो होते हैं उनको बोला जाता है noun. As field, fountain, street and town. You see all the words in black letters are the nouns. Field is also a noun, fountain is also a noun, street is a noun and also town is a noun. Okay. Then we come to the pronoun. Pronoun क्या है? What is the pronoun? In place of noun, pronoun stands. Pronoun क्या करता है? Noun के जगह पर रहता है. Noun को represent करता है. जैसे we can say Ram is a boy. Ram is a boy. Ram is very tall. Ram is very tall. Ram wears a shirt and he is going to market tomorrow. Okay. So, who is going to market? He is going to market. Here he is a pronoun. Ram is a noun and he describes the noun Ram. So, here he and she can clap their hands. So, both he and she are pronoun. Then we come to adjective. What is an adjective? The adjective describes a thing. एडजेक्टिव क्या करता है, कोई एक थिंग को डिस्क्राइब करता है। कैसे, जैसे कि एज मैजिक वॉन्ड, क्या वॉन्ड, मैजिक वॉन्ड, विच रिंग, ब्राइडल रिंग, ओके, मैजिक वॉन्ड और bridal ring. So adjective describes a thing as magic wand or bridal ring. Okay. Then verb. Then comes to verb. Verb क्या होता है? Verb means action. कोई भी काम जो action होता है उसको denote करता है जो कि किया जाता है, something done. To read क्या करना, पढ़ाई करना, लिखाई करना, लिखना. To read and write, to jump and run, जाना, आना, all things, all the action what we are doing right now. I am teaching, to teach, it is a verb. Okay, so read, write, jump and run, these are the verbs. Okay, how things are done, the adverbs tell. adverb क्या करता है, काम कैसे किया जाता है, किसको कैसे किया जाता है, वो adverb बताता है. how things are done, the adverbs tell. okay, जैसे कि as quickly, slowly, hardly, well. okay, so I am going very quickly, that means the adverbs is telling that how I am going, I am going very quickly, I am going very fast. okay, then comes to preposition. preposition क्या होता है, what is the preposition? the preposition shows relation. preposition relations को shows करता है, जैसे कि as in the street, where, in the streets, here in is a preposition and at the station, at the station कहाँ पर, at the station. okay, then conjunction joins in many ways. conjunction क्या करता है, दो word को, दो या more than two words को join करता है, दो phrase को join करता है, दो sentences को join करता है. it is a joining word. so conjunction joins in many ways. okay, conjunction join in many ways, sentences, words or phrase and phrase. here two conjunctions are there. or is one conjunction and is also one conjunction. okay, then the interjection. interjection क्या है, interjection वो है जब भी हम चौंक जाते हैं तो कुछ exclamation marks यूज होता है sentences पर. so interjection cries out hark, hark. okay, exclamation mark, I need an exclamation mark. okay, what interjection is telling, I need an exclamation marks. I hope from this explanation of poem you have clearly understood what are the parts of speech. They are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. okay, I hope you have enjoyed this class. thank you for watching me. keep watching. thank you.